Jockey to the fair.
Nice.
Is that right? Big no. I feel like
Is that what the answer is?
don't do this. It's so not good.
It feels like it just wasn't made to be this speed.
It's also like not for dancing.
Maybe it's like really cool, like turned up, like.
Is this the normal speed that you would do this?
Well, okay, so yeah,
What are the other
yeah,
speeds?
like a speed. No. What I meant more is like, you know, speed 70 is like the modern jig.
normal
It's
speed.
anywhere from 66 to 73, so
Okay.
70. But like, what I mean is like, is this supposed to be like a tune you listen to at 1:30 and it's like, yeah, dun 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 dun, you know, like really like kind of fun.
Yeah.
And then they just like, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I
It
feel
feels like if you turned that up, it'd be like
Really like a
kind of
cute song.
fun, yeah, like you know. But
Yeah,
maybe it's not
no.
meant to be.
Put it in the no.
Maybe it's a trad, you know, like it's. I only.
Is it a trad?
It might be.
It's either bottom of F or top of no. The big no.
It's just.
a no for
it
me,
just
dog.
feels all sorts of no.